That's the entrance. They took 20 rupees for the vehicle. Of course, it's not my vehicle. I came in an auto. So for that auto and also for the entry, 20 rupees. The Panchayat people take it. They are wearing some sort of uniform. So they took it. You can hear the waterfall sound. There is ramp, so wheelchair friendly. So they maintain that uniform people, they maintain this place, so they took 20 rupees. Spectacular. Lot of plastic garbage they have to clear up. Everybody has thrown water bottle, all such things. They kept barbed wire also so that no one goes down. Too much garbage. Barbed wire. Look at the mist rising out of the falling water. You can see there alcohol cans also they have thrown. Cool drinks, slippers, mask, food packet. I totally forgot that I am standing at the edge. I kept moving. Suddenly I remembered and came back. The brownish water, so mesmerizing to keep watching that. Keep watching that means I'll try to zoom in. I zoomed in. Just look at the brownish water. It's sort of mesmerizing just to see, as if some mountain is being just washing away. That is the feel you get. The sound, the mist. A huge size. Rainy season is the best season. Of course, other times it will be clear. It seems whitish waterfalls. Lighting also, they said they do it in the evening. I don't know from where they do the lighting. See that? It's like a I don't know, like while you're stirring the coffee, some brownish layer-like thing you get, right? While initially stirring, that time. Yeah, it is like exactly like coffee gushing down the mountains. This part is the best. This is Indravati river. Reaching Jagdalpur is very tedious thing because of less connectivity with by trains or buses, but it is totally worth it. இவ்வளோ தூரம் கஷ்டப்பட்டு வந்து நிஜமாகவே வர்த்து தான். எப்படியோ பஸ்ஸு பிடிச்சி எப்படியோ வந்து கஷ்டப்பட்டு சேர்ந்தாலும் இது பார்க்குறது நிஜமாகவே ரொம்ப அருமையாக இருக்குது. ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ರೇನು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ವರ್ತಿದೆ ಇದು. ಬಂದು ಸೇರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು 24 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. This is the properly constructed viewpoint. I think this is the light they were talking about. Evening, I think they'll multicolor lights. They will flash it onto the waterfalls, I guess. There also you can see lights. That is for this place. Yeah? This I think is for the waterfalls. It's a very well maintained place, very clean. Though the tourists keep throwing garbage as it is, as they like, here they have maintained it very nicely. It's a selfie point. I love Bastar. Swachh Bastar. I love Bastar. Local art. Tortoise, lantern. I really didn't expect this to be so clean and all. I just thought some waterfalls will be there. I'll go and come. Very well maintained toilets are there. Small shops. People who are cleaning all the garbage that is thrown by the tourists. That is a really welcome step. And it is worth 20 rupees they take here. It is really worth it. They are doing a really good job. They kept garbage bins also. Of course, people don't use it. There's some pillar they have kept here. Both sides. That's the main road. See that they put gate. There they put gate. This is the mud road, Kacha road. This is the mud road. Mud road. That gate I showed you, no, that is the entrance towards the waterfalls. So if you are going to waterfalls, the autos and cars and all, they take 200 rupees it seems. Before that, if you take a right turn, it's a mud road. I showed you that mud road also, right? If you take, you will be avoiding that gate. Gate in the sense a barricade, that's all. Okay. This side is Jagdalpur. This side is the waterfalls. If you go one road ahead, you have to take a right turn. Okay, so that you will be avoiding 200 rupees. The 200 rupees you will be giving, right? Even if you are going by auto, you will have to give 200 rupees. So this information was given to me by one gentleman at the bus stand, and I used this to tell the auto driver to go one road before. So thereby I saved 200 rupees. That is the first travel tip. Now I'll give some more travel tips and also mistakes that I committed so that you need not commit it again. Second tip is regarding the auto. Lot of sound, but I hope you can hear. Second tip is regarding the auto. Auto 600 rupees outside the bus stand, you'll get it. It was worth it. 80 kilometers to and fro is 80 kilometers. Plus he listened to he did listen to me and took the right turn before the check post, thereby saving me 200 rupees. And he waited for 1.5 hours. 1.5 ತಾಸು ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಮತ್ತು 80 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರು ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. 600 ரூபாய் கொடுக்கலாம் ஈஸியாக. 80 கிலோமீட்டர் 1.5 மணி நேரம் வெயிட் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க. அதுதான் ரெண்டாவது டிப்பு. ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்துட்டு இங்கே வந்தீங்கன்னா அவுட் சைடு பஸ் ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆட்டோ கிடைப்பாங்க, இல்லை உள்ளே வந்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஸோ 1000 ரூபாய் சொன்னாங்க, நான் 600 ரூபாய்க்கு பேசினேன். they told 1000. I bargained it down to 600. The reason being, when coming back, he took in other passengers to earn some money. Some 200 rupees he earned back. So that's okay, because it was really worth it, and also he earned some extra money. It worked out well for both of us. Third tip is, of course, if you are going by your own vehicle, you'll have to pay for the parking and all, which is costly, I guess. I didn't see the rate and all. But if you're going by auto, you'll have to buy the 20 rupee ticket for the auto person. They'll write the auto number and give it. Fourth is the travel. See, many of you seeing the video will be thinking this is very far away, how to go and all. Again, it is your wish whether you want to go or not. But coming by bus is very, very painful. That is one thing I learnt. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ 2 ಬಸ್ಸು, ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬಸ್ ಬಂದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಸ್ಸು. 2ನೇ ಬಸ್ಸು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದೇನು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೋಡು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಂದು ಸೇರೋಷ್ಟು ತುಂಬ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಫ್ಲೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಫ್ಲೈಟಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ತನಕ ಫ್ಲೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೆವರ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ and then you can come to this place. Flight is a better option, I would say. It was really painful for me to come. The bus was not so clean, and also the roads also weren't so great, so I had to, it was a lot of pain. So நீங்கள் வந்துட்டு இப்போ தமிழ்நாட்டிலேருந்து இவ்வளோ தூரம் வரணுமான்னு எல்லாம் யோசிப்பாங்க, அது உங்கள் இஷ்டம். ஆனால் வர்றதுன்னா நீங்கள், நான் சொல்கிறது என்னென்னா, ஒரு ஏரோப்ளைனில் அதுனா ஒரு 1000-2000 ஜாஸ்தி ஆகும். எனக்கு தெரியாது, நான் போனதில்லை இது வரைக்கும். அதுனா ஆஃபர் இங்கே பார்த்துங்கன்னா நீங்கள் ஜெகதால்பூர் வந்துட்டு இங்கேருந்து ஆட்டோவில் போகலாம். டாக்ஸியெல்லாம் இல்லை, ஆட்டோ தான் இருக்கிறது. ஸோ ஆட்டோவில் போகலாம். ஸோ உங்களுக்கு விட்டது மொத்தத்தில் பஸ் அவாய்ட் பண்ணுங்கன்னு. ஏன்னா நீங்கள் தமிழ்நாட்டிலேருந்து வரதா இருந்தால் விஜயவாடா இல்லாட்டி கம்மம் வந்துட்டு அங்கேருந்து வேறு 2-3 பஸ் பிடிச்சி வரணும். ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு ட்ராவல் டிப் மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்குறேன், உங்களுக்கு விட்டது. தி நெக்ஸ்ட் ட்ராவல் டிப் இஸ் regarding the bag. When you come, you can, I didn't stay here. Of course, if you are carrying bags and all, no, keep it in the auto or your own vehicle. When you are walking there or walking down the steps and all, so it will be pretty heavy and you will be walking on stones. So I had faith in the auto driver and I kept my bag in the auto itself and I went. That was easy for me. That's the next travel tip. The next travel tip is regarding shoes. Please wear appropriate shoes. I made that mistake. I wore slippers because of a long travel. Shoes means it will be very, very uncomfortable for a long travel. Shoe na rombo bejar irukkum. Na seru potadhu thappa pochi. Grip kedigilla, full vazhukudhu. Grip sigilla, full jaartha ide. I kept slipping. This slipper had no grip at all. So please wear appropriate shoes, and also if it is a rainy season, bring umbrella or raincoat, and please take care while coming here. This is the outside place where I got the auto. So that's it, friends. I've given you all the information, whatever I know. So hope it is helpful for you if you are planning to visit this place. It's a very beautiful place. It's worth a visit. And again, yeah, reaching here, there is no government buses. That's the biggest problem. So we have to depend completely on private buses, and only when they fill up they will leave. So thanks for watching. I have posted other waterfalls video also, Malsej Ghat and all. Please share it. Please share this video also if you like it. Thank you.